Hi, this is Dr. Clayman, and I'd like you to join us for a very special discussion that we're going to be having here at Osteostrong on the effect of nutrition and bone health. At Osteostrong, we know that you can build stronger bones, and the quality of your bones is a direct reflection of not only the quality of your life, but the longevity of the life that you will have. We know that nutrition can have a direct impact on your ability to not only build stronger, better bones, but it can also affect the rate that you're breaking down the bones that you already have. Now, in this discussion, we're going to talk about the foods you eat, the drinks that you already drink, and hopefully we're going to give you some new ideas that you've never heard of and a new perspective so that you can take a new approach to building stronger bones and having a better quality life. We know at Osteostrong, your bones are your chassis. They're the frame that all other aspects of your body attach to. And the stronger and the better quality your bone health is, the better the quality of life you're going to have. We hope you'll join us, and I do look forward to seeing you there.